If you want to know how to make this one, please stick around and I'll show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. To all our subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and thank you for joining me. And for today's video, I'll show you how to make this beautiful owl balloon. Before we start, all the materials that we have here will be in the description down below. Please check that out. So we have 260 balloon and some latex balloon and also a confetti for the body. Alright, let's start this. So we have our latex balloon. You can use 10, 11 or 12 balloon, and this is our confetti balloon. We're gonna use our balloon stick. Stick it to your round balloon. And stick this here as well. Take this out. And then we want to spread your confetti right around your balloon. Put a little air just right inside your confetti balloon. So you can spread it around. I'll release some of the air just on the confetti balloon. That should be good. Now add more air. There, I think I like that. So now you just have to tie your dark balloon, the inside balloon. Make a knot. There you go. I made it like an oblong shape, not like a round. Just like that. Put this on the side. So now we need our 5 inches balloons. So I'll make them all the same size. Tie this together. Now, twist them. Tie this right here. Just like that, that would be your feet. This time you need your 260 balloon. Stretch. And then I'll tie it right on the base. You want to wrap this around the body. So right on the center, you make a pinch and then you twist. And then you pinch here, twist, wrap this around. Cut the excess off. And then just tie this. So this time we will need our 260 cube. Stretch again. I like to squeeze. right here, you pinch and then twist. Fold this in half. Okay, fold, twist. There you go. Put this here. Before we attach this here, another color, 260 balloon. So you want to fold this here, like about a fist. Twist, stick this here. Squeeze again. Now we'll stick this in front. After you do that, you want to make sure then you wrap this here. Pinch and twist. And then the same, squeeze. And then wrap this here as well. Cut the excess. And then just wrap this. Just like that. So this would be the eyebrow. Just like you see here. And we'll attach this here. Okay. So remember the extra balloon. So this, we'll stick it right on here. And now let's make the eyes. So we have the blue right here and then brown, or you can use any other color. So brown will be on the inside. You double stuff. So you don't want it too big. You just want to make sure that it'll fit on here. A little smaller. That'll be perfect. So remember, you tie just the inside balloon. And we'll make another one. So now just grab the blue balloon and then just cut just a little piece. So you want to make sure the size is the same. There you go. So now we'll stick this here. Alright, and there you go guys, it's finally done. This is our owl balloon. So you can always support with balloon glue dots if needed to. Like for example, you want to stick this in the right spot or right place, so where it's facing to the direction where you wanted it to be. So that would be helpful. there, glue dots. Cut this off if you want, but I just leave it there. Okay, or just stick this with glue dots. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.